Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Marketing Awards was, believe it or not, our 22nd edition. And I hope you agree with me that it's growing in prestige, and that's not just a platitude. We had more entrants. The quality has gone up every year, which is exemplified by the amazing presentations we had. And it was the best attended session at our Congress. I think it's an invitation, if I might take a moment, for everybody out there to imagine yourself on this stage, because it gives unique recognition among your peers and in the world. I truly believe that the BMA is at the heart of what ICA family is all about sharing, about answering real problems with real tangible solutions. Our winner showed the power of storytelling, told in a passionate and personal, committed way. Our winner also showed that great marketing campaigns are not restricted by the amount of budget, but thrives on creativity, passion and commitment, and clever execution. These challenges and the creative way that they were addressed resonated strongly with all of you in your judging and with us, the judges. So James, I'd like to give you the envelope which has the result of this year's Best Marketing Award.
And I do not know who this winner is, so I'm as excited as you all are to find out. Ooh. This is, as Patrick said, an amazing award, and I'm delighted to announce that the winners are the Estonian Convention Bureau.